Here we go. You've never seen a ride like this.
Killer features.
Let's go do this.
Here's everything you need to know.
I'm super excited about this one.
The stories that will shape our world.
Rolling slow-mo.
I'm here at PlayStation headquarters with an exclusive hands-on.
I'm about to go inside Disney's Imagineering labs.
I'm in Apple's testing labs.
Zilla has caught the booster.
From artificial intelligence to wellness.
I tested the camera while jet skiing on the Hudson River.
The future of smart glasses is already happening.
It sounds pretty cool.
Let's talk about some use cases for this technology.
I actually think this is the most helpful use of AI.
You ever wonder how CNET tests TVs? Come on in the lab and I'll show you.
The new MacBook Airs are here.
And I'm actually reading that script right now.
Our next guest, CNET Editor-at-Large, Scott Stein.
We're really just at the very beginning of this.
As you can see, it's a robot party here at CES.
I'm here at Mobile World Congress.
Impossible without artificial intelligence.
The best TVs at CES 2025.
I just got out of the Apple event.
Driverless cars going close to 200 miles an hour.
We're about to walk through into Epic Universe.
It's what foldable phones should feel like.
It's the company's newest smartphone gimbal stabilizer.
And here it is.
This is a really good phone for a lot of people.
Since ranting about that, I feel much calmer.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to take off.
It turned a skeptic into a believer.
I have some mapping to do. I'll see you later.